Hello everyone. Good morning, students. Dear students, in previous class we take and revise a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, and in that class, lesson we discuss about the topic to solving the pair of linear equation in two variables by substitution method, and in that method we take and solve some important questions based on them. Okay. But now, dear students, in that class we are going to discuss about the solution of the pair of linear equation in two variables by elimination method. Okay, today we are going to discuss about solution of pair of linear equation in two variables by elimination method. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the topic solution of pair of linear equation in two row variables by elimination method. This is one of the most important method to solving the pair of linear equation in two variables. Now let us see the some important concept based on that method. Okay, first of all we take a question and we discuss that method. Now let's see, solve. The question is solve the equations. Solve the equation, and your equations are x plus 2y is equal to minus 1, that is the first equation. Okay, and second one, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. This is the second equation. What I do, dear friends, we just solving these equations. Equation. Okay, now what is the method to solve that question? Let's see, dear students. Okay, now here the first equation is x plus 2y. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1, and second equation is what? 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, and we just what? Solving them. So let's see, dear student, its solution. First of all, in elimination method we equal the coefficient of x or y as you wish. Okay, so suppose that we equal the coefficient of, we are going to equal the coefficient of y. So for that what I do, let's see, in first equation, the coefficient of y is what? 2. The coefficient of y is what? 2. And in second equation the coefficient of y is minus 3. Is what, dear students? Minus 3. Okay, now what I do, let's see, dear students. So in first equation the coefficient of y is 2, and in second equation the coefficient of y is 3, which are not equal. So we what I do now, we first of all we equal the coefficient of y. Okay, now for that we just multiplied by 3 in equation first, and we multiplied by 2 in equation 2. Means that for equal the coefficient, so in this process we just multiply the coefficient of y in second equation in first equation, and we multiply the coefficient of y in first equation in equation 2. Okay, now let's see what I get. Let's see. So 3 into x, this is 3x, plus 3 2 is 6y is equal to 3 1 is minus 3. Okay, okay, dear student. Now here let's see, 2 2 this is 4x minus 2 3 is minus 6y is equal to 12 2 is 24. Okay, so we just multiply in equation 1 by 3 and in equation 2 by 2. Okay, now we get that equation. Now we observe that in both the equation the coefficient of y are same, which is 6. That is 6y, 6y. Now what I do, we just adding them because of plus minus doesn't matter. These terms are cancelled to each other after adding them. So we adding them to 6y, 6y cancel to each other because of this is plus 6y and this is what, minus 6y. So both the terms are cancelled to each other. Now let's see here. This is plus 4x, this is 3x. So 7 3 4 3. This is 7x is equal to, now let's see here. This is plus 24 and this is minus 3. So what I get? So we get as what? 23 plus 23. So here we write this 21. So the value of x is what? This is 21 upon 7. The 7 3s are 21. Thus the value of x is what? 3. This is first answer. Okay, this one. So in this way the value of x is what? 3. Now we also find the value of y. So for that we just put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. Now we put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. We get, now let's see, in equation 1 we put x is equal to 3. So we get as 3 plus 2 into I is equal to minus 1 is equal to, this is 2y is equal to minus 1. There is plus 3 minus, transfer that side. So we get what? Minus 3. So that is 2y is equal to, this is minus 4. Now 2 to the 4. Thus the value of y is equal to minus 2. Okay, thus in this way, dear friends, the solution of that pair of linear equation in two variables is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. This is the required solution. So dear friend, this is the process method to solve that type of question. So please please do more and more practices of that type of question. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic in very easy way. So let's see once more time. So in elimination method, first of all you have two equations. Okay, so first of all you observe the first step is what? First of all you equal the coefficient of x either or y as you wish. So in that equation we equal the coefficient of y. So in first equation the equation coefficient of y is 2 and in second equation the coefficient of y is minus 3. So for that we just multiplied by 3 in equation 1 and we multiply by 2 in equation 2. For which purpose? The main purpose for that multiplication is we equal the coefficients of y. Okay, for equal the coefficient of y. Now after multiplying them we get 3x plus 6y is equal to minus 3. Okay, after multiplying 2 in equation 2 we get 4x minus 6y is equal to 24. Now we observe that in both the equation the coefficient of y becomes equal. Now for that, now this is plus, this is minus, so we just adding both the equations. For adding we just 6y and minus 6y is cancelled to each other, and after that here these are the like terms, that is plus 4x, this is plus 3x, so 4 3 which is 7x, and here this is plus 24, this is minus 3, so this is minus 21 is left, plus 21 is left, so x is equal to 21 upon 7, that is 3. So in this way we find the value of x. Now after that we put the value of x in equation 1 or 2 as you wish. So now we just put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. So after simplifying them we also get the value of y as minus 2. So this is the whole process, whole method, the complete process to solving the pair of linear equation in two variables by elimination method. Now dear friends, we take and solve some other important question of your syllabus based on elimination method. Let's see dear friends. Now we take and solve some other important question based on that method. Now let's see what is the process. Now we take and solve some other important question based on that method. Now solve the following system of equation. Your question is solve the following solve the following system of equation system of equations. Your first equation is 1 upon this 2x minus 1 upon y. This is first, and second one is what 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 8. This is the second equation. These are some important questions based on pair of linear equation in two variables. So now what I do, dear students, for that questions? So dear students, in that questions, first of all, we reduced that pair of linear equation two variables, and you know that the original form of the pair of linear equation two variables is ax plus by is equal to c, or ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So first of all, we reduced these equations. So for that, let's see. So first of all, we take as 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. Then equation 1 and 2 becomes, then equation 1 and 2 becomes what? Let's see. That is u upon 2 minus 1 upon y is v is equal to minus 1. Okay, now we taking the LCM 2, that is u minus 2v is equal to minus 1, that is we get u minus 2v is equal to minus 2. Take equation number 3. Okay, so after putting the value of 1 upon x and 1 upon v, we get that equations. Okay, and after simplify them, we get u minus 2y is equal to 2v is equal to minus 2. Similarly, in equation 2, now we get 1 upon x, we take as u, this is plus 1 upon 2 into v, okay, is equal to 8. Now we take the LCM 2, so taking the LCM 2, that is 2u plus v is equal to 8, that is we get 2u, this is 2u plus v is equal to 8 to the 16. Take equation number 4. Now, so first of all, for that question, we just reduced equation 1 and 2, and we convert it into the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in terms of u and v. Okay, now these are the standard form of the pair of linear equation in two variables. In here, the two variables are u and v respectively. Okay, now we just first of all we just solving equation 3 and 4, and hence we find the value of u and v. After finding the value of u and v, we put the value of u and v in that. We take that equation, both the equation as star. Now we put the value of u and v in equation stars, hence we get the value of x and y respectively. So this is the process to solve that type of question. In that type of question, first of all, we reduced that equation in the form of this. Now here, this is the linear equation in two variables u and v, the form of u and v. Okay, now we just simplify. Now let's see. If you observe the coefficient of v which are not equal, so for first of all, my first step, our first step is to what? Our first step is to equal the coefficient of u and v. Okay, after equal the coefficient of u and v. So for that, let's see here the coefficient of, so for that, for equal the coefficient of y v, so we just multiply that coefficient of v in second, fourth equation is 1, so we just multiply by 1 in third, and here this is 2, so we just multiply by 2 in equation 4. Okay, so we get what? Let's see, we get as this is u minus 2v is equal to this is minus 2, write as it is. Now here 2 2s are, this is 4u, and this is plus 2, this is 2v is equal to 16 to the 32. Now what I do, dear students? Now we just adding them. So after adding them, these terms are cancelled to each other. So we get what? 4 1. This is 5u is equal to, now here this is minus 2 and plus 32, that is plus 30 is left. So here plus 30 is left, that is u is equal to 30 upon 5. So 5 6 are 30. So that is u is equal to 6. The value of u is equal to what? 6, dear students. Okay, now we find the value of u as what? 6. Now what I do? Now we put the value of u in equation 3. Okay, thus we put u is equal to 6 in equation 3rd. Okay, we put u is equal to 6 in equation 3rd. So let's see here, this is 6 minus 2 into v is equal to, this is minus 2. Now let's see, minus 2 trans 2 trans that side is equal to 6, this is plus 2. So this is 2 is equal to 6 to 8, so 2 4s are 8. Thus the value of u and v are 6 and 4 respectively. So in this way, after solving the equation 3 and 4, we get the value of u and v are 6 and 4 respectively. But our original form of the equation is of the form x and y. So now we put the value of u and v in equation star for finding the value of x and y. Okay, now let's see. Now from equation star, okay, from equation star, the value of so that is 1 upon x is equal to u. So that is, we put 1 upon x is equal to, the value of u is what? 6. So we solving them, so x is equal to 1 upon 6. This is first answer. And 1 upon y is equal to, we take as v. Now we put the value of v as 4. So 1 upon y is equal to, that is 4. So we do the cross multiplication, that is y is equal to 1 upon 4. This is the another answer. Let's see. Yes. So in this way, the value of x and y are respectively 1 by 4 and 1 by 6. This is the required solution of the given equation. This is the required solution of the given equation. So dear student, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise or other side books based on the topic in very easy way. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of question. This is the very important method, that is what? Elimination method, for solving the system of pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, now dear student, we take and solve some one more important question based on elimination method. Okay, for finding the for finding the solution, means the value of x and y. Let's see the question. Now, lesson we take and solve a very important one more question based on that topic. Now, solve. The question is solve the pair of equations. Solve the pair of equations ax plus by is equal to a minus b, and second one is this one bx minus ay is equal to a plus b. Okay, this is the very important question. Based on the topic elimination method. So first of all, we observe that equations, in both the equations, both the equations are in variable forms. We just solve the pair of equation, means we find the value of x and y. We just find the value of x and y. Okay, now let's see. So let's see its solution. So first of all, we have the pair of equation. We have the pair of equations as ax plus by is equal to a minus b, and bx minus ay is equal to a plus b. We take as equation first, and this is take as equation 2. Now, dear friends, what I do? We just discussed about that topics. For solving the pair of equation in two variables by elimination method. So first of all, we equal the coefficients of what I do. We just do we have to equal the coefficient of y or x. So now here we just equal the coefficient of y. So for that, in first equation the coefficient of y is what? B. And in second equation the coefficient of y is what? A. So for equal the coefficient of y in both the equation, we just multiply by a in equation 1 and by b in equation 2. Because of, if we just multiply equation 1 by a, then here the coefficient of y is what? AB. Okay, and when we multiply it by b in equation 2, then the coefficient of y is also AB. So just equal the coefficient of y. Now let's see. So for that, so after multiply, so this is a square into x, okay, plus this is aby, okay, is equal to, we just multiply a in both the terms as a square minus a, okay. Similarly, we just multiply by b in equation 2, so we get this is b square x, okay, minus this is aby is equal to, this is ab plus this is b square, okay. This is the now after multiplication by a and by b in equation 2 and 1 and 2 respectively, we get these results. Now what I do? Now, dear friend, we just adding these equations. Now let's see. After adding them, so we observe that this is plus ABY, this is minus ABY. So after adding them, these terms are cancelled to each other. These terms are what? Cancelled to each other. And what I get? What is the left value? This is a square x plus this is p square x. Okay. We don't adding these terms because of both are unlike terms. Now, unlike is why? Because you know that the terms have the different algebraic factors is known as what? Unlike terms. So here in that term the coefficient of x is what? A square, but in that term the coefficient of x is b square. So we don't adding these terms because of both are unlike terms. So unlike terms never be add or subtract to each other. Okay. So we get ax square x plus b square x, right, as it is. Now in right hand side we just adding them, so we get what? This is a square minus ab plus ab plus b square. Okay, so we just write in this way. Now here, let's see here. This is minus ab, this is plus ab. These terms are cancelled to each other. So we get what? Let's see. And in that both the terms we take x as common. This is a square plus b square is left. So here this is plus a square and plus b square is left. Okay. Now what I do? Now dear friends, we just write as x is equal to a square plus b square upon this is a square plus b square. Okay, now a square plus b square is square plus b square cancel to each other, so we get what? 1. Thus the value of x is what? 1. This is the first answer. This is the first answer. Okay, so after solving equation 1 and 2 by elimination method, we just find the value of x as what? 1. Okay, now what I do? Now we just put x is equal to 1. We just put x is equal to 1 in equation 1 or 2 as you wish. So now let's see. We put now we put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. We get in equation 1 we get what? Ax a into 1 plus by is equal to a minus b, that is a plus by is equal to what? A minus b. Now we just transfer that side, so we get by is equal to a minus b, that a minus a, so plus a minus a cancel to each other, that is by is equal to minus b, that is y is equal to minus b upon b, that is b cancel to each other, that is minus 1. Thus the value of y is what? Minus. This is the another answer. Thus in this way the value of x is 1 and the value of y is what? Minus 1. These are the required solution of the given question. Okay, thus dear students, this is the whole process to solve that type of question. So dear students, this is the process to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables by elimination method. So dear students, first of all you revise all the questions which we discussed in that class. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics in very easy way. Okay dear students, because of these questions are very important for you. So please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. Okay dear students. Thus dear students, in that class we take and solve some important questions based on solving the pair of linear equation in two variables by elimination method. So please now first do more and more practices of that type of question. Now in next class we take and discuss some other important questions based on these topics, and we discuss some other important topic of that chapter. Okay, now thanks to all.